In this video, we'll cover how OnBase helps manage amendments within the contract lifecycle. And an amendment simply refers to changing the terms of a contract once it has been executed. So what are the common business pains associated with managing contract amendments? Well, first, when organizations manage their contract documents in folders and file cabinets, it's difficult to ensure that contracts and amendments are linked. There's also a burden on legal departments to locate and verify changed terms when these documents are scattered around the organization. And finally, there's often challenges in reviewing and approving amendments when all supporting information can't be easily located. So now Scott's going to show how OnBase can help organizations manage contract amendments.
For most organizations, contract amendments are really no different than a contract itself. They must be requested, drafted, go through an approval, as well as a signature process. The critical difference is that amendments are typically linked to a parent contract. So on the screen here, we can see that we have an amendment contract object. The key difference is that on the request details, you can see that this particular amendment is linked to a parent contract. So at any given time, if we wanted to refer to the original master's agreement in this case, we could simply double-click on that field, and it's going to take us to the parent contract. Now, on the inverse side of that, we have a tab on parent contracts called child contracts, and this shows us the inverse view of that. So if a parent contract has any children listed, we could come to this tab to report on that information. And of course, the amendments go through the same process that we've seen in the other videos.
So the business benefits of using OnBase to help manage contract amendments include the ability to easily connect amendments to existing contracts, as Scott just showed, and an improved visibility into those contract relationships, providing a complete view of the vendor, customer, provider, or any other party.